reception, it's Miss Spencer again. I hope you're all doing well. So I'm going to go through your topic video with you for today, and we're going to look at the difference between a jungle and a rainforest. Before we get into it, I want you to stop this video and I want you to watch the Planet Earth clip as a little starter to introduce you to jungles and rainforests. After you've watched the clip, I want you to discuss with your adult what you can see and hear, and then you can come back and watch this one. So you should have watched now the little Planet Earth clip of an introduction for you. So what we're going to discuss is the difference between a rainforest and a jungle. So I've got a couple of pictures here of a rainforest. So the main difference between a rainforest and a jungle is that a rainforest has really, really tall, thick trees, as you can see on the first picture. And this makes it really, really hard for plants to grow on the bottom of the floor of a rainforest. This is because those tall, thick trees stop the sun from helping the plants grow, because that's what plants need. They need some sun to help them, but because of these tall, thick trees, it doesn't happen. But in a jungle, it's slightly different. They don't have those tall, thick trees. So they've got lots of plants growing on the jungle floor, unlike the rainforest. So you can see that there is two pictures of some plants growing in a jungle, and that is the main difference. Rainforest, tall trees, nothing really growing on the floor. Jungle, small trees and things growing on the floor. Okay, now I have got a map of the world here for you, and what I want to show you is where the biggest rainforest in the whole entire world is. So here is where we live in England, with the red arrow, and this next red arrow is where the biggest rainforest is, and it's in a country called Brazil in South America. And the biggest rainforest in the world is called the Amazon rainforest. And here are some 4 pictures for you to see what the Amazon rainforest looks like. So you can see there's lots and lots of those tall trees and also a river going through it as well. So this is the biggest rainforest. But it's not the only rainforest in the world. There are other ones. And I've got a little map here to show you. So you can see on the map that there are little bits of green, which I'm just pointing out for you now. And the green means where the rainforest is. So this one where there's the red squiggly line is where the Amazon rainforest. So this is the Amazon. But we've also got some rainforests in America, in Africa here, in Asia here, and you can just see that there's a little green line here to show that there are some rainforests in Australia as well. But if you look, you can see by far the biggest one here is the Amazon. So now we know what the Amazon is and where it is. Now we need to talk about the climate. Now that is a bit of a funny word, and the climate means the normal weather of a place over a long period of time. So when we talk about the climate of the Amazon rainforest, we're talking about the normal weather of the Amazon rainforest over a long, long period of time. So what is it like? So in the Amazon rainforest, it rains every single day. But at the same time as it's raining every single day, it's really, really hot. And if you went to the Amazon rainforest, you'd feel all sticky and sweaty because it's so hot there. So it is very different to our country. We don't have rain all the time every day, but it's not also really, really hot all the time either. We have different weather, don't we? So at the minute it's really, really cold here, but in the rainforest it never gets cold. You'd always feel sticky and sweaty. So that is a big difference between where we live and what it's like in the Amazon rainforest.